Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit Connect battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin. This ensures a safe working environment for the entire process. The battery in a Ford Transit Connect is typically found under the passenger seat. You'll need to slide the seat forward to access it. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal first, using your wrench. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, carefully remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps with a wire brush. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully position the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal, tightening both securely. Reattach any hold-down clamps to keep the battery in place. Once the new battery is installed, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Start your Ford Transit Connect to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and that all electrical systems are operational. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. This helps protect the environment and ensures safe handling of hazardous materials.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.